Hi, welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps on how to join the Backstage as speaker or moderator. Firstly, click the Backstage link that has been provided. Then, make sure that you sign in to the event using the email address and password that you registered for your Hopin account. If you have not registered, please watch the tutorial on how to participate in the winner conference, which is available on the winner's YouTube channel. Before you enter the platform, make sure that you have a stable connection with a minimum of 30 Mbps. It is even better if your device is directly connected to the main internet cable. Use the latest version of Chrome or Firefox for the best experience. Allow your audio and camera in your browser and you don't use your camera or other platform. Once you are successfully entered the link, you will be directed to the Backstage. As you can see here, it will take a moment for you to enter. We suggest you to start joining the link 5 minutes before your session starts. You might, however, have to wait in case the previous speakers are still in the Backstage. Click this button to continue. Make sure that you give browser permissions to use your camera and microphone. Check your camera and microphone settings. Here, you can set up your camera and your audio. Close, and type in your display name that will be displayed on the screen when your camera is being displayed. You can type in your name and your institution name. Click Enter the Studio and you will be in the Backstage. Once you are in the Backstage, as you can see, it looks like you are alone, but there are other speakers and stage managers who will support you during the session. You can only see their faces when the stage manager adds them to the screen.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Inti, and I'm going to invite my colleague who are going to have presentation for this session.
Hi, Inti, thank you.
Hi, Amy. Welcome to the stage.
Thank you.
Do you have any presentation material here?
Yes, but before that, I think it will be great if we can learn some buttons that are provided below the screen.
Great.
So as you can see here, you have a mic button where you can mute and unmute yourself. And then the second one, you have a camera button where you can be on cam like this and then off cam again. And then the third one, we have camera and microphone settings where you can set up your camera and audio in case you have any technical issue. And then the fourth one, we have the share button here where you can share your own presentation material. But we just suggest you to send your material to our team so we can help you. Okay, so it seems that the slides works and then we can remove again. The next one is the private chat and the comment section. If you see the differences between these two tabs, use the private chat to communicate in the Backstage along with your speakers and a stage manager, and the comment section to see chats from audience. If you want to return to the event platform after your session, you can click the return button below your screen. You will see a loading page like this. Once you are back in the event platform, you will be able to go to the reception, networking, stages, sessions, expo, and the replay button. In case you have any technical problem during the event, please visit the expo area. At the help desk booth, you can have a live chat with our team. Here, we already entered the booth for the help desk. Here, our team will be happy to help with. Thank you for watching and have a great session.